401 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, and it's still going on. Yes, more than 400 days. Welcome back with the puzzles, regular puzzles, in today's newspaper on Monday, November the 11th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle. So two puzzles are left: the binary and the Four Stars Sudoku. Not so good news in today's newspaper, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So only these three regular puzzles. And the Four Stars Sudoku I will continue, and this will be number 9572. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has truly 24 printed digits. Yeah, a 4 stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, we have here 1 2, we have here 4 3s. Well, 5 3s, 1 2 3 4 5. Let me start with a 3 then. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second, third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 3 3 3. Well, cannot continue with 3. What's happening? 3 3 3. Okay. Let me count. Let me continue with counting. 1 4 1 2 3 5 1 6 4 7s. All right, but 8s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. So let me continue with the 7 then. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7. 7. 7. Okay. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this middle row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 place level 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the last row, no 7 there. The only place level 7 should be there. 3 3, need a 3 there. Need a 3 there. And I still cannot continue with the 3. Okay. 1 1 1 1 1 1 and the 3. Need a 9 here. 9 9 9 9 9. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 4 2. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4. And look, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the only place level 2 should be here. So the 1 and 4 are left. Let me mark those 1 and 4. I hate to split those numbers in 2 big squares here. Okay. Three missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for 5 in this big square. Shoot it in. Two numbers left now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Shoot it in. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column 3. Only place left. The 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2. Okay. 1, 1, 1. Okay, and now 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. Well, in this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these two boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 should be here then. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 7 as a pair. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 4 and the 7, the other pair in this column should be the 6 and 8 then. Well, in this big square, we need a 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this last row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 8 then. Okay. 4, 4. Well, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, need a 4 here. Alright. 1, 1, 1, 1. A 1 in this row, last row. 1 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. 8, 8, 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What's happening? Need a 2 here. Oh, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. Okay. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Okay, in this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in this box. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 in that box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 3 in one of those two boxes in this row. 3 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 4, 4. How about the 7? But the 9 then. 9. 5. Okay. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left 5 should be there. 5. Need a 5 here. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 in these two boxes. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. And I believe, let me see, 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. Here 2 numbers left, the 6 and 8. Let me mark those, okay. 1, 2, need a 3 there. 4, 5, need a 6, need a 8. 8 should be here. 3, 6, 8. Okay, 1, 2. Two numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Yeah, also 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Yeah. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have an 8 and a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 8 and a 6 in this box. 8 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. So one digit left should be the 3 then. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column now, only place level 3 should be there. I believe we have all the 3s. 7, 7, 7, 7. Nope, need a 7 there. Need a 7 there. Okay, 8, 6, and need a 9 there. 4, 6. What are these 3 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 here. 2 here. 3. Need an 8 here. 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 8 should be there. 4, 6. We already have a 6 overlooked. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and 4, we have 4 now in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left, and in this third row for numbers, the 1 is missing, and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the first column, so the column between second column, the only place level 1 should be there. I believe we have all the 1s. Yeah. Not the 7. 7 should be here, okay. Then let me see. Need a 9 here. 7, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 5. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Shoot it in. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left 5, should be there. 1 box left now in this middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 4, 6, 9, okay. Then, let me see. 7 and then 9. Well, we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing here. 4 and a 7, we have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 4 goes there. So here we have a pair, the 6 and the 8, then. And need a 4 here. How about need a 9 here? 6 or an 8. We have an 8 now in the second column, so this can be 8 and more. This box should be a 6. 6 or an 8. We have a 6 now, so this box should be an 8. 6 or an 8. We have an 8 now, so this box should be a 6. 6 or an 8. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 6 and the 8, need to wait. 6 and the 8, okay. Okay. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those two marks. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, and the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. Oh, 8, 8, 8. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 9 should be there, so the 4 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 4 and the 5, we have 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only place level 4 should be there. The other pair in this big square are numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. 6 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Wow. Wow. I'm pleased with the time. Not the 4, not the 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Well, let me give this 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.